Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. We multiply both sides by y minus 1. Next, 2x minus 1 multiplied by y and negative number 1. So I will write like this. Next, I will put this one go to the left, negative number 1 go to the right. So this one you got about number 2. Now we divide both sides by this one. Next, we put the negative cone here to change the sign. So we have 1 minus 2x. So we have y, and first the derivative of y we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration of this one in here, ds. Now I will concentrate about this one. This one, that is about identity, so we can put into s minus 1, s plus 1. Next, we need to use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s minus 1, capital B over s plus 1. Next, we do common denominator. So capital A multiplied by s plus 1, capital B multiplied by s minus 1. Now we need to expand. So we have s and s, we can do about factorization. So we have coefficient of s is about negative number 2. So a plus b equal to negative number 2. A minus b equal to number 1. So we create the system of equations. So a plus b equals to negative number 2. A minus b equals to positive number 1. And now we have the solution of a and b. So 8 equals to negative 1 over 2. B equals to negative number 3 over 2. So we put this one going here. Eight equals to negative 1 over 2. B equals to negative number 3 over 2. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s minus 1. And the second one, that's about negative number 3 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s plus 1. And we put about c. Now we go back in here. So this one we have e to the power of negative 1 over 2 ln of s minus 1. And we have e to the power of negative number 3 over 2 ln of s plus 1. So negative 1 over 2 go inside about natural law in here. Similar for this one. So this one we will have about 1 over s minus 1 to the power of 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over s plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2. So we go back to this one. That means we multiply both sides by this one in here. So we need to simplify. So number two, we can do about factorization. So we have negative s plus 1. This one we have s minus 1, s plus 1. So we put negative sign in here. So we change the sign into s minus 1. Because negative multiplied by s minus 1, you got about negative s plus 1. So s minus 1 divided by s minus 1. Now we just have only s plus 1. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we apply about the product rule of the derivative. So first derivative of y, that's about first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v. This one is about first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if we do this integration, we will have about uv. That means this one we will have about y multiplied by this one in here. Now I will concentrate about this integration. So we know that we have s plus 1 multiplied by s plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2. This one we will have about s plus 1 to the power of 5 over 2. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we put the square for the both sides to cancel about 1 over 2. Because we still have s, so we put negative number 1 go to the left. So we have u square plus 1 equals to s. So we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have to u du equals to dx. So this one we change by u. S we change by u square plus 1. Dx we change by this one. This one we have number 2. U and u we cancel. Number 2 with number 2 we have negative number 4. And now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of number 2 tan t. Because if we put this one going here, we have 2 tan t square. Number 2, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square. And later that we simplify by du. Du, we will have about the square root of number 2 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one go in here. Du that's about this one. So we have 2 tan t square. Number 2, we can do about factorization. This one that's about secant of t square. So we have number 2 to the power of 5 over 2. And this one we have about secant of t to the power of 5. So we simplify the number in here. And we got about number 1. And this one we have negative number 1 over cosine t to the power of 3. Because this one divided by this one, you got about secant of t to the power of 3. 1 over secant of t to the power of 3, we have cosine t to the power of 3. So this one we can write into cosine t square multiplied by cosine t. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine t square plus sine t square equals to number 1. So if we put sine t square go to the right, we have cosine t square equals to 1 minus sine t square. So we put this one go in here. So we have the negative sign in here. We change the sign of this one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equal to sine t, dz equal to cosine t dt. So this one we have z square cosine t dt we change by dz. The integration of z square, we have z to the power of 3 over 3. Number 1, that's about z, and we put about c. So we change z into sine t. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 2. So we have t equals to arctan of u over the square root of number 2. So I need to put this one to replace for t. So about u, that is about this one. So later that we return back to this one. This integration, that's about this one in here. And later that we divide both sides by this one. So we can get the final answer. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.